pray together. Pray. Finish. Alright, students. I want to tell you something, students. So yesterday morning, I rode my motorbike to schools. And then on the way, I saw someone throw trash out of their car window right on the street. So is it bad or good? Bad. Yes, right. That's not good at all. So throwing trash like that can make our environment dirty. So what should we do when we see someone doing that? Okay, yeah.
We should tell them to stop.
Okay, that's very good. So what can we say to that person? Okay, Sita, wait a minute.
You must not throw.
You must
not throw trash.
not
Throw.
trash. Right. Another video? Okay, yeah.
We have to keep our environment clean.
We have
To keep
to keep
our environment clean.
environment clean. Okay, so look at this, students. So these are example of obligation. So do you know what obligation means?
No.
Okay, I can see some of you understand and some of you still unsure about that. Okay. Now imagine, students, you have to go to school at 7 o'clock. And then you must on time. When you are late, what will happen? Okay, Indy.
We'll miss the lessons.
Yes, we miss the lesson. So that's an example of obligation. From that example, can anyone guess what obligation means? Okay, Maya.
Okay, so obligation means some things must do.
We should or
We must do.
We must do. Okay, that's very good, Monica. So that's the obligation. Obligation means that something we must do or something we should do. Alright, so today we are going to use obligation in English. Right? So before that, I will divide you into group that consists of 3 people. Okay, maybe 3 in the end, yeah? You are group 1, and then
Maybe.
Sinta, Anggi, and Monica, group 2. Alright. Now I will give you a colored ribbon. So each color stands for a different topic. Right? And also you all receive worksheet that match with this colored ribbon. Okay? This is for you. Invite your friends. This is for you. Right? Tie the ribbon on your right hand, students. Okay, you can help me to see which worksheet that you get. Alright, finish?
Yes.
Okay, so that here you are going to do. So first thing first, you will read the worksheet and then complete part 1 in the worksheet individually, okay? And after that, when I say switch, you will find someone that have the same color ribbon as you. And then you discuss that topic with your friends and then complete part 2 in the worksheet. After that, okay, when you have the friends that have the same color ribbon as you, this is called the expert group. So in that activity, you will discuss the same topic with your friends. And after that, you will go back to your original group and then teach your friends about the topic. Then do discussion. Do you understand?
Yes.
Alright. Yes. Now I will give you the worksheet. Okay? Who got the pink ribbon? Okay. Here. Red ribbon? Okay. And then the green. complete your worksheet in the part 1. Alright students, the time it's up, so it's time to switch. So find your friends that have the same color ribbon as you. Okay, be careful students. Alright, now discuss with your friends and then complete worksheet in the part 2. Okay, go on.
We got having electricity, so the problem is students forgot to turn off the lights and the fans.
Yes, that's right. And it can waste our electricity. So we have to save the electricity for the school and the environment.
Yeah, we should also turn off the fan if no one is using it.
That's correct. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah,
What should we do?
I think
Alright students, have you finished?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now it's time to go back to your original group. Okay, starting from now. Okay, now it's time to discuss with your friends with a different topic so you can teach your friends about your topic and do discussion. Okay, go on. Please tell me if you have difficulties or have a question. Alright. Okay, group 2, do you have any problem?
No, miss.
It's clear?
Yes.
Alright students, attention please. It's time is over to discuss with your friends. So after discuss with your friends, is it clear for you about the topic?
Yes, miss.
Okay, do you have any question?
No, miss.
Okay. Alright, so now we will have one more task. Okay, I will give you a classroom problem. So you need to read the problem first and then discuss to your friends and create 3 obligation sentences to solve that problem. And after that, you will present that in front of the class. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Any question? No question. Okay, Simba.
Yes.
Yes.
Do all group members have to present?
Okay, that's a good question, Simba. Thank you. So everyone will present together in front of the class. Okay? Is it clear for you all?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So go on, students. It's time to work. Ah, yes, in worksheet. Oh yes, I forgot the worksheet. Oh my god. Thank you, Indy. This is the worksheet. I'm really so sorry. Yeah. This is it. President, time is up. So it's time to do presentation. So presentation starting from group 1. Okay? Group 1 comes first. From another group, please listen your friends. Okay? Okay, thank you for the time, and now I will present our obligation sentences. So the first one is we have to put trash in the bin.
The second one is we should turn off the light and the fan after the class.
And the last one is we should keep our text clean. Thank you. Okay, give applause to them. Okay, then group 1, you can go back to your seat. And group 2, the time is yours.
So, hello everyone. These are our class rules. So, first, student must not leave trash under the desk.
The second one is the student. We have to turn off the fan if no one uses it.
The third is we should put the chairs and the desk in order. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's one. Thank you. You can go back to your seat. Okay, student, I'm so impressed today because I can see that you use the obligation expression well. So please give applause for all of us. Okay, students, now give me your worksheet. You have to worksheet, right?
Yes.
Okay, please give. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, students, can someone tell me what we learned today? Okay, alright, so we learned how to make obligation sentences and how to use them. Okay, thank you, see, that's excellent. So anyone else? Maggie?
We learn about obligations expressions.
Yes, and then someone else?
We make a classroom rules.
Okay, so today we have already learned about the obligation sentence and you can use it well. So I think that's all for today. So don't forget to learn at home. I can see your progress day by day and I'm so proud of that. Okay? Okay, before we end this class, let's pray together.